In 1893, bills proposing a new state house were passed and a commission was appointed to undertake the project. An architectural competition in 1895 attracted more than 40 entries. The winning entry was the work of 35-year-old Cass Gilbert, an influential local architect. The chosen site for the new State House was the rise of land called Wabasha Hill, several blocks north of downtown St. Paul. Channing Seabury, chairman of the Capitol Commission, broke ground for the new building on May 6, 1896. The cornerstone was laid July 27, 1898, by Minnesota's second governor, Alexander Ramsey. After 9 years of construction at a cost of $4.5 million, the Capitol building was opened to the public on January 2, 1905, just 1 day before the 34th legislative session convened. The Minnesota State Capitol underwent a $310 million 4-year comprehensive repair and restoration project from 2013 to 2017, the largest restoration project since it opened in 1905. The Capitol now offers more public space, and the building's historic furniture, artwork, and interior decorations have been restored to their 1905 appearance. Quadriga, the golden statue at the base of the dome, was removed for complete restoration and gilding from 1994 to 1995 and again in 2016. The State Capitol building is located at 75 Reverend Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. Boulevard, St. Paul, Minnesota 55155. Open to public Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., Saturday, 10 a.m. to 3 p.m., closed Sundays.